Welcome to the weekly Roundup report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we're at the Kennesaw location. Let's go. What's going on with this Toyota this morning, CJ?
So we have a tire pressure monitoring light on. We're going to go around and set all 4 of these tires to spec. And we're going to take it around the parking lot. If that light doesn't go off, at that point I'm going to grab my scanner. I'm going to run a quick code on it and see what we've got. If we have any codes, and we're going to run around with our TPMS relearn tool, see if they're just out of battery. Go from there.
Okay, thank you so much. Katie, what you got going on today?
So I have a diagnosis for why the cylinder 2 is misfiring, and the cylinder 2 spark plug isn't firing and smells like fuel, and all of the other cylinders are chock full of oil. So here we have cylinder 1.
Oh no.
Yes. So that's a valve cover.
That's a valve cover.
That's a valve cover.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. What are you working on this Nissan today?
Trying to track down an issue where the truck stalls, and right now it's not stalling. It's a very hard observation going on right this second.
Thank you for joining us at our Kennesaw location today. Hope you had a good time. See you next time.